In order to set a custom keyboard theme on a Nothing phone at 3A, we need to go to Settings, scroll all the way down and choose System, then go to Keyboard, select On-Screen Keyboard and choose Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. And now over here we want to go to Theme. To create your own theme, we can press this plus button over here under My Themes. You can choose a photo that you wish to set as the background for your keyboard. So let's say I'm going to choose this thing over here. We can pinch the scale and we can move it up and down as well, of course, and left and right too. So let's say I'm going to choose this part of the photo here. We're going to press Next. We can adjust the brightness of the photo as well, of the picture, and then we can press Done. We can also enable and disable keyboarders. If you want to readjust the background, then we can press on this pen icon. If you want to remove, then we have this trash bin here. And let's press Apply to start using our new custom theme. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!